Heyo! Welcome in, or welcome back. We are here for episode 9 of this lovely anime, Campfire Cooking in Another World with my absurd skill. I hope you're ready, because we're going to be hopping right in. That's beautiful architecture right there. Got a whole lot of goblins out. Ooh. Someone had to count that too. Ugh. Dang, you buff. Willem. Episode 9, hunting quests are all about meat and money. Two? Like, in addition? You can't even say that's not Fenrir. I mean, no regular Great Wolf is doing all that. As Sui is using telepathy, Willem cannot hear him. Okay. A great little family. Oh, okay. Oh, this is bad. I know. I know he hates that. No. Um. Ah. Wait, I thought you were just going from place to place. Well, I just did, didn't I? Oh, that's quite a few. Uh, so we're already getting asked for stuff. Yeah, I don't know if you can do that, so. Oh. Ah, there's the pride. Wait, you said that out loud to him? Wait, he could hear. Uh, time sensitive, but they've been sitting there. Okay. Thoughtful. See, I don't like that face. No, he's. Holy. Chimera or Orthos? They've been through quite a few. Really? Yep. Yeah, what are you even doing? They're that much? Just cook them up. I mean, that's what you said. They should be. Oh my gosh, Makuta's about to bankrupt them. Holy. Orc King. Oh. I mean, Fenrir's like Z. Like, I know they go down, but like, I mean, if you can have an S on top, then you can have a Z on top. Like, I don't. Don't worry. You keep You keep working it. Alrighty. どうもありがとうございます。どうもありがとうございます。Time for a little salad? Nah, that would not do for him. Vegetables. Making it kind of lean. Lean and green. Oh. Wow, you're getting into that rock bird, aren't you? Really? You can choose to not just disintegrate everything? Oh. Maybe you should have just told Sui to just separate and do it. Oh, wow. Oh, that's it? Bonbonji. Oh, I was like, why is it that color? It's a nice color, but I was like, where'd it come from? Okay. I don't like stir fry. I think it's all the vegetables, but I'm an adult, so I can eat what I want. Hmm. Ah, don't be like that, Fenrir. Golly. He's 27. But like, where's the water at? Like, hey, it looks like you're eating it all the same. Hmm. Oh, there we go. Sui's eating their vegetables. Husband activities. All right, all right. Oh, so it was good. Even though it wasn't purely meat. Mmm. Mmm, we're all proud of you, Sui. That's your stomach, or are you... Do you have to stay all the way in there? Whoa, whoa. Nope, don't do that, Sui. Oh my god, that's huge. Oh wow, that looks fluffy. He's humongous, and yet it's like keeping its firmness. Oh, he's asleep. Oh, yes, I mean, instant sleep. God, that building is beautiful. Whoa, it's so good. Oh, that's really nice. You ran them dry. That's a lot of gold. That is a ton. Everything together is 461. Holy moly. The second load. Oh, the blue ogre was worth that much alone. Okay, maybe you didn't need to have those guys from last episode pay anything. Rich. 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 Oh my gosh. Yeah, that's just asking for thieves. I mean, Fenrir wouldn't let it happen. You put that in your inventory, right? A metal lizard. Yeah, that doesn't sound too easy for anyone. Um, wait, carriage ride? Yeah, I was gonna say, like, what would you pierce it with? He hunted one. I didn't even. Oh my gosh. Okay. So you bring that back and is it with the different sauces? Yeah, I don't think they want you to purchase any of that. I think they want it all for themselves. Y'all so y'all have so much meat now, but like I don't look at the camera like that. But they still want that specific one. Oh yeah, you're gonna go to that guy's store, right? Well, he been waiting for you for a few days, huh? And you have very small bags. Sorry. Sorry. It's just he has the item box, so I'm just like, oh, it's a bit beat up, but it looks beautiful. You need something bigger for Sui, right? Golly, he has over 2,000 gold coins. This is literal pocket change for him. Sand snake skin. That is expensive. 8 gold is expensive, and he just got 2K. It is your choice. Mmm. Alright, you got this, Sui. Pick one out. You don't want to go touch one. Alright. Oh. I mean, if you're buying it, then it don't even matter. Also, I don't know. Is Sui sliming it out? Like, how is this shop big enough to hold Fenrir just taking it out? Oh, don't act like it's that much. Hmm. Also, you're gonna get a big reward for getting the bowls and stuff. How do your shoes look? I'm surprised they've been lasting. Oh, yeah. That makes sense. Food is one thing. You're literally eating that up. But this is stuff you're gonna be wearing. Thank you. That's what I was saying last episode. No, you can. There you go. See, that's the proper way. Because, like, is your life more than 11 gold coins? Okay, that's what I say. Just let them have it for free this time. But obviously, yeah, you can't have it for free every time, especially if you're trying to get like the best. We can go get you something else. Okay, we can go get you some. Is that the one you gave them? What happened to it? Yeah. Oh, this is another beautiful architecture piece. That sounds fair. Yes. Don't worry, we got you. We got you, Lambert. Over here crushing my hand. You want me to go get some more? Alright. And then you can go ahead and give the snake skin to him. Oh, give him the meat, give him the meat. He's like, sweet, sweet, sweet. What are you doing? What are you doing? They weren't doing the subtitles for what Finra was saying to Sui, but all I could hear was Sui, Sui, Sui. Is he reprimanding Sui for jumping on him like that, just bouncing all over him? Oh, that sounds hard. Ooh, that wasn't crisp. Oh wow, I could tell that was juicy on the inside. I was saying that. There's barely any right there for you. I don't see how. Oh, oh my gosh, y'all just be jumping all over it. Would that not be overfill? It's that good, I guess. The vegetables kept them hungry. Double fried karage of various meats. Yeah, you just mixing and blending stuff, huh? How do you know everything? Okay, I guess everything goes to the same temp. Okay, he needs to eat some too, Fenrir. Fenrir is like, well, my stomach is quite full. What are you doing? Put that stuff away. Like, I want some too. I need some. If I'm not eating, I can't make any for any of you, okay? I need to fill my belly and get energy. You and beer, my dude. Like, put some water in your system. Water in your system. Oh, that still looked pink on the inside. I know people. Oh, they're so cute. Cute little Sui sleeping sounds. I didn't know I needed that. All right, right off the bat, this episode is going to be getting a 9.3 out of 10 gold coins. It was an episode where he found a home, like a place of residence where he can stay, the kingdom. He doesn't have to worry about it, although they are kind of boring asking favors, but he's thinking of it like, no, they're not gonna really ask me for favors, so wow, this is really cool. I can have a place to call my home and come back to after adventures instead of always, moving around from place to place. He got tons of money. He made lots of high up friends, I suppose. The shop owner, you got these really good adventures. You got the Adventurers Guild head master. Like, it's crazy. I'm talking with my hands again. Woo! Like, I talk with my hands a lot. If you haven't noticed already, it makes everything more fascinating, right? But if you don't like it, then like this isn't the channel for you, and that's totally okay. Just because I gotta do me, and I personally like. Anyway, back to the episode. I'm just happy Makoto was able to find basically a residence, and he is getting these high ranking requests. So that means that we're gonna be able to see some really good adventures. But like, if Fenrir took down like a lizard like that before, it's gonna be a short adventure, right? And then the bulls, and then like he just ran them dry basically at the guild. But the dude is like, yeah, I want to make sure that like we purchase some of that meat that you're gonna be getting. So like, where's that money gonna come from? No. Makoto's a rich man, and I just really like the group. His party, his adventurer party, him and Sui and Fenrir. It's just they're very cute in the relationship. Like if there was like a relationship bar and like you had the heart going up and then it would fill up and like raise levels. Like it's got to be like relationship level 5 or something for Fenrir, and then Sui, just such a easy little loving kind spirit. We'll probably be at like a 7. Like just came into life, and I mean Makoto's all that she knows. Makoto's all that Sui knows. Sui doesn't have a gender, I don't think. So I just say they're, those kind of things. But yeah. Once again, if you forgot my rating, or you didn't notice I said it already, it is a 9.3 out of 10 gold coins. I feel like I used gold coins in like the first or second episode, but I can repeat. Rules are meant to be broken, especially if they're my own. Yeah, let me know what your thoughts are, what you would rate it, and do you think that these 2 requests that they got from the Guildmaster, do you think they're gonna be easy, like medium, or super difficult? Like, you think there's gonna be like some kind of plot twist or something? Like, oh, these are way more difficult than we thought, even though we do have Fenrir, and I personally think it's going to be an easy time. So anyway, I am going to go ahead and get out of your hair, but please like, share, and subscribe because I love having you here and I love just, if you're letting me ramble at you, then we should just be friends because I really need that. I don't mean to ramble, but you're letting me, and it's very sweet and kind of you, so thank you very much. I really need it. I just need someone to talk to. Oh my god. Anyway, I will be seeing you on whatever you choose to watch for me next. Love, Jasmines and Bunnies.